In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect my domain to Convertkit. The first thing you need to do is to head over to kit.com. So Convertkit has been rebranded as Kit, as you can see right here on their website. What you can do is we can click on the start free trial in order to sign up for a free trial for them. It's actually a 14-day free trial. So they don't require any credit card. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to proceed and click on this login option right there in order to log into your account. So in here, I have in here my dashboard. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our settings. You can head over right here to your name, click right here onto the settings. Then after that, you should be able to see all of the settings that you have. You can just proceed to scroll down, and here is the domains. Now from in there, it should be able to show you in here the domain that you have. I have tiara-c.kit.com. So if you want to connect your own domain, you can see in here that we have this portion for custom domains. You can either buy a new domain or connect an existing one. So you can buy a domain directly from them, or if you have bought from third parties like GoDaddy or Hostinger, you can proceed to click on the disconnect. Input right here your custom domain. So for example, this is just an example. Input right here google.com. Now choosing here the home page, let's choose in here this Belmont and click on next. And as you can see here we have in here this. Now what we can do is we just need to input right here these values on our DNS servers, and once you have done that, you just need to click on this validate right here. And once you have validated it, you should be able to use this right here as your domain for your actual ConvertKit right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.